lovely. This is the smoothie that I'm making here. There was pineapples, peaches, and there's chia seeds. As you can see, there's dates here. I already added the juice. So we're going to start with like this. So there's juice here. There's orange juice, which is about I add this is approximately 200 milliliters of orange juice here. And as you can see, there's chia seeds, and there's pineapples, and there's dates here. And so I'm going to start it. I'll tell you exactly how much what there is in the recipe after I finish. So start like this. So that was 2 minutes. So today I added dates, 2 mejdool dates. I added this. You can add any other orange juice, not fresh orange juice, but out of this I added this fresh orange juice. About 700 milliliters of orange juice, with 50 milliliters left here. That's about three small cups. And I added chia seeds. And the chia seeds here, that's about two tablespoons of fresh plant-based protein. I added peaches, about say 3 small peaches or 1 large peach, frozen, and 1 large frozen banana, or you can have 2 large frozen bananas. And since all the ingredients are frozen, you don't need to add any ice. And I guess that's it. And if you like this video, you can subscribe. And this is a very nice tasting Hawaiian peach smoothie. So I'll tell you about the rest of the ingredients later on. Well, thank you.